FibaTape Self-Adhesive Super Crackstop Wide Repair Tape. Before you begin, the surface should be cleaned and dry, with no loose debris. First, apply the self-adhesive side of the fabric directly to the entire surface, making sure to avoid any wrinkles. You can use your drywall knife to help smooth out the fabric as you apply it. When applying more than one section of Super Crackstop, overlap the seams by 1 inch, double cut the fabric, and remove the excess material. This will ensure an invisible seam between panels. Cover the fabric completely with a thin coat of plaster or drywall compound. Once the layer of compound is completely dry, sand to a smooth finish.